And we're back to learning Premiere Pro, and this time I'm going to show you a color inversion effect. It's another effect that's often used in music videos, so I've got a simple dance clip right here. You will find that via description link below. And I want to apply it to a flicker effect, so I use the cut tool, press C for that, and I create a cut at a random point, and then I use the arrow keys forward, so to the right, to create more and more cuts at specific positions. In this case, I'll just use 2 frames for each of these cuts. The bigger you make these gaps, the slower your flicker will be, and the smaller you make them, so if you only use 1 frame, the faster they will be. Now we need the effects. Just type in invert. There are 2 effects. One is under audio effects, just ignore that one. We need one under video effects. Drag and drop it on the first element that we've cut. And under window you can find these menus if you don't see them. So the effects where we found the invert and the effect controls that we need now. So here is our invert. And we can simply select a channel right here with the drop down. So there are many to choose from. And the second option, it lets you blend the channel with the original. So if you crank it up to 100, you only have the original, and then you go downwards and the effect is added gradually. And if I roll the clip, you can see how it flickers now. We can just copy this effect, so right click on it, copy, or press Ctrl C, and then press Ctrl V on every second cut element in the timeline. And now if you play it, we've got this typical flicker effect with an invert color effect added on top. But you can add another dimension to it if you just stack these invert effects. So you can add multiple effects and layer them on top of one another in the effect controls right here. So if we use, for example, red and blue, we'll get this purple violet color. And you can stack more and more and more to create even more combinations. So play around with it and find something that you like. And then just copy these and paste them on the other elements if you want to add it to this flicker effect. And this is how you can use the invert color effect in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.